Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been popping up online a lot lately. Emma and Rose Boston. You might have seen their ads claiming they're a charming boutique run by two sweet sisters curating elegant women's fashion. But is this boutique really what it claims to be? Or is it something much more sinister? Let's break it down. On the surface, Emma and Rose Boston looks perfect. High-end dresses, shoes, and accessories, all beautifully presented. Their story makes it seem like these sisters have been curating fashion for years. But here's the first red flag: the discounts. We're talking 75% off supposedly luxury items. That's way too good to be true and usually a warning sign. When you dig a little deeper, the products start to look familiar. In fact, most of the items are nearly identical to cheap pieces you can find on sites like Alibaba or Temu, just marked up to look fancy. And that charming backstory? There's no proof this boutique actually exists in Boston. The domain was registered only in May 2025, which contradicts the idea that they've been around for years. Even more suspicious, the website, despite its US branding, is registered in Slovenia by someone named Mada Kale. Trying to reach them is a nightmare. There's no phone number, no business address, just a Gmail contact and a basic form. If something goes wrong with your order, don't expect much help. Refunds? Most customers report being ignored or asked to ship items back to China at their own expense. And reviews? Forget about it. The site uses stock photos and likely AI-generated testimonials to appear legitimate. Real review sites like Trustpilot show nothing. When orders do arrive, customers often receive low-quality items that don't match the photos or descriptions at all. So what's the takeaway? Emma and Rose Boston is not the cozy, charming boutique it claims to be. It's a scam dressed up to look like a local business with fake stories, fake reviews, and fake products. If you're thinking about shopping here, think twice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with friends so they don't get caught in scams like this. Stay smart and shop safely, everyone.